Alright, I am going to put together this race car kit. I haven't looked in the box yet. This is just opening it. That's everything in there. There's the circuit board. Okay, so here's a list of all those parts. Not much for instructions. Another one that has QR codes. I will probably just look up the directions for what I need. It's the D2-4 infrared remote control intelligent car DIY kit. Here's a wire diagram of the thing. Alright, so these are definitely the motors. They have some, looks like double-sided tape on them. It's the remote control. Gotta pull the plastic piece out for the batteries. Of course, the battery holder. Also, double-sided tape on it. So all the parts are only this one bag by itself. Of course, there's the wheels. I already know this goes on. There's a computer chip, a little plug to put it in, capacitors, some resistors, bolts, some diodes, the capacitor, some LEDs. It's like 4 wires. Not sure what that is yet. And might be the on-off switch. The first switch. 3 LEDs. And 4 total capacitors. Those are 4 resistors right there. IR, I'm guessing, is going to be this thing. Where the chip goes. I'm not sure what goes there. There's resistor, LED light, LED, so there's 3 LEDs. Guessing this goes one here and one there. 2 more resistors, diode, wires. That's where the battery connects there. I'm not sure what, it's probably MG is probably what these are for the motors. Looks like it should be easy enough to put together. Let me get that parts list and just see what IR stands for. Infrared receiver. Okay. So yeah, that's gotta be that. So that has to go down there. So, this part should be pretty easy, straightforward. Everything is marked. I just gotta figure out what's one of these are what. They don't look labeled at all. The resistors are not labeled, so I'll have to check the resistance on those to find out which one's which. You have a 1K, 3.3, 3.31. It says 1010. It's a 220, I think. 1K and 10K. So that's 1, 2, 3. Should be 9 resistors. So I should have 3 10Ks. So I'm guessing those are the 10Ks. There's 2 of the 3.3. So I'm guessing that's going to be that. This is also another one. So I have to figure out which one's which. There's 2 that are not in anything. So figure out what those are. That's 218, so that's the 220. Go ahead and put it in place. That's a 10K. Loader 10. That's a 3.3. Loader the 3.3s. Nine point nine. 9.9. These are all the 1000s. Alright. Just 1000, 10,000, 10,000. Okay. Right. Alright, I got it done. This is what it ended up looking like. Got the wheels screw in there, going to the motor on each side. They have this double-sided tape on the bottom to stick to the bottom of the board. You got this bolt here with the nut and this nut there. You got the 3 LED lights, the switch, all that stuff. The resistors and diodes, that thing, the chip there. I got the 3 batteries in it. I had to figure out how to operate this. 5 stops it. 2 like 7, 8, and 9 do not do anything. 4 turns that one only. 6 turns that one only. Five turns it off. 1 does both wheels. 3 seems to do both wheels. And 2 seems to do both wheels. Nothing else seems to do anything, so it's just these 6 buttons here. It doesn't seem to be able to go backwards. With this power button down, it won't take any signal. You pop it up, that's when it works. Absolutely nothing that way. That motor seems weak for some reason. It might not be a good wire connection or something. It works, it operates. I was able to figure everything out without looking anything online. Hardest part was figuring out how you do this thing, which you just put the bolt all the way in, put this nut all the way up, then put this on, and it makes it pretty much level with the tire, the backside. But oh, okay. I see what it is. That tire is touching the board there. That's what it is. But it does not go in the opposite direction, so it only goes one direction. I haven't figured out any other way to make it go that other direction. I would think that these would do it, but since they don't do anything, now that tire's not touching the board anymore. It spins good. Alright, it's all done. Thanks for watching. This is the D2-4 remote control car I got on the Amazon. This is what came with the piano for $35. Thanks for watching.